Phonic sound of I. Read and learn. Zip, bin, fig, tin, pin, hill, sin, win, tin, fin, bin, hip, tip, sip, zip, lip, mill, fill, hill, will, till, rice, mice, nice, wise, dice. Read aloud. A nib, a big nib. A bin, a tin bin. A dig, a big dig. A kid, a kid hit tin.